Alright, we are gonna do smiley buttons. Let's try that out. We'll stay in Python. Ooh, I like it. Okay. So, we are going to do an on button. Press A. And then an input on button pressed dot A. Cool. Okay. Just keep going. Okay. Let's just test this. Happy? That looks good. Then it says we can do even more if we press them together. So, we can do that. Press A3. Tell it what it's going to do. Basic dot show icon name silly. Oops. And we want symbolized. And the input for this button pressed. We already did this. Oops. There. And we want this to be A3. And we want this to be AB. Let's try that. Whoa. Yep, it all seems to be working. Great. And that's it. Let's download smiley buttons. Awesome. Good job.